What if Liverpool had never signed Virgil van Dijk for £75 million? January 2018. Liverpool's defence was in complete chaos. 18 goals conceded in just 8 Champions League games. They were a laughingstock at the back, leaking goals like a broken dam. Without Van Dijk's arrival, their makeshift defence would have crumbled against Real Madrid. No Champions League final in 2018. No magical comeback against Barcelona. Manchester City would have steamrolled the Premier League unopposed. 5, maybe 6 consecutive titles for Pep's machine. Liverpool's 30-year title drought would have continued indefinitely. World-class players like Alisson and Fabinho would have chosen other clubs. The Kop would still be singing songs about the past instead of celebrating the present. One transfer window decision changed everything, from defensive disaster to European champions in 18 months. Van Dijk didn't just fix their defense, he transformed their destiny.